a little rainy out here in eastern Pennsylvania, but that's okay. And the markets right now are a bit red. They are dropping, and the doomers are out in full force. The SPX was down over 100 points at one point this AM, and there's still pressure downside in the markets right now as I record this. But despite the rains, despite the overcast, like you could see right now, and despite the doomsayers that are out there, I just wanted to take a moment to talk about the markets and what they do. And we could go back from the beginning of time of the S&P 500 to when it first started. And despite the crash of 1929, despite the massive crash of 87, Black Monday, despite the dot-com bubble of the 2000s, despite the Great Recession of 2008, despite the shortest bear market on record of COVID in 2020, despite the bear market of 2002 that dropped a whopping 27%, despite the tariff weakness, 2025 Liberation Day from Trump, despite the drop that was almost 10% here recently, February through March, what has always happened? The market has gone higher. And so people get fixated on the weakness that can come into the market on days like today, and they make the mistake of thinking that it is a permanent thing. Now, for traders, we're quick, we're in and we're out. But the other part of that is, if we have long-term positions, right, we are going to see some red. That's going to happen. And I said in my community today, don't look at your portfolio. Don't look at your long-term holdings, because they are going to be beaten down today. They're going to be red. They're going to be a little bit ugly. But you need to take solace in knowing that this is all part of the process. This is all part of market cycles. And we are in a strong bullish trend. Today is nothing in terms of selling, right? We know that a bear market is whenever you break below 20% from the all-time highs. And so if we are really going to get something like that, we have a ways to go. And a clock is correct at least 2 times a day. And the bears out there who continue to call for a crash, it's the same thing year after year. Prices are elevated. The technicals are overstretched, and they are. The Warren Buffett Indicator is through the roof. There's another Hindenburg omen. All these things, while true, the market remains irrational, and the market remains undefeated, regardless of what one person thinks, regardless of what this analyst thinks. And the market does one thing. It goes higher over time. And so despite days like today, where we have big, massive drops over 100 points, or let's say that we head into correction territory, even worse, we go into a bear market. Here's a beautiful truth. Over a period of time, whether that's a few months, whether it's a year, maybe it's a couple years, the market always comes back, always, from the inception, from the history. Find something to refute that. You won't. It's easy to see on the chart. So that's something to keep in mind on days like today, to get perspective that it's all part of a bigger cycle, the bigger process in the market. And these days are opportunities. Now, that doesn't mean that we go and load the boat and we're buying a ton of shares here. But again, when you get drops like this in bull cycles, it could be an opportunity for you to add to positions that you have long-term, right? A little bit of nibbling. And if we continue to come down, marking out those levels where you want to own things in your long-term portfolio. Again, very different from trading, because who knows if you will get that opportunity again. And so I wanted to put this video together for you guys today, despite all the rain, all the doom and gloom out there in the markets. And again, when the market sells down like today, I'll quote Jocko Willink, Navy SEAL. He has this saying, when something's going wrong, what do you say? You say, good. It's an opportunity. Come lower, drop lower, create cheaper prices, create opportunity for us traders. When it drops, we can catch those relief bounces. And then after we get the relief bounce, we can short that. So wanted to give you guys some perspective here today. We'll see what happens. We'll get into some technical analysis at a later point. We are going to have the Sunday setup now be a live stream because you guys like that format this past weekend. But I wanted to share my thoughts with you today on where we are on the markets. And so just remember, nothing in life is permanent. Everything continues to change. And with the rain that's out here today, it eventually will pass and the sun will come out. So this is Jeremy Hritz, Courage Pays Better Than Fear. Make it a great day. Honor the moment. Most importantly, be grateful.